It's 1 o'clock. I have until 5-ish. I need to be there at 5. So I think I could get it done before I have to go. So with all this practice spraying, I'm actually getting pretty good putting on a nice wet coat of the sealer, and I think also the clear. And I was already decent at the base, so the more you get comfortable with it in mixing and stuff, the less mess you make, the easier it is to, you know, have a nice even, like smooth coat. Look how nice and like glossy that is. That's a nice laid out coat. So since I was busy with Jesse's wedding and everything that was happening, I wasn't able to post very many videos last week, so sorry about that. But I did get the fenders and hatch repainted, and they are in there drying. They look really, really nice. And the car is outside in the sun, and it looks really, I like the color. So yeah, the car in the sun is crazy how nice this color is. It's really dark when it's dark outside, but in the sun it just is like crazy how bright it is.
Someone knows David's Goon Squad reference.
Oh, did they?
Yeah. Like, you trying to be Goon Squad with that intro?
So I got this mystery box right from Japan.
David bought a $400 Japanese mystery box.
I don't know, how much was it? Here, let's see.
It's one of those YouTube videos. I bought
it flickered, David.
Yeah,
it's probably more than $400.
No, I think it's cheap. The bumper was only 400 bucks. And people are trying to sell used ones for like 600. The bumper was 433.20. Where's it at?
Letting out all the secrets, David.
There's not anymore. Dave got the glass one.
Oh, fuck. Damn. The glass was $693.
Jeez, David.
I mean, it's a brand new glass with a seal.
Yeah.
No, I said what it was. I'm going to have to cut that shit out. So, yeah, I didn't think this was going to come with it, but it did. And now I get to replace the little weather strip on the top. That's all kind of, you know. It's
I thought this was new.
It's old. I just use the like cleaner stuff on it. So I got a new one of these, so it won't leak. You can kind of see it has a little thing right there. It's cracked. But then I got all the little pieces for the bumper, because the 99 bumper is different. And I got another sail panel because I only had the one for that side, so now I have the driver's side sail panel. And yeah, then I'll open this one in a little bit.
Does the pre-99s have glass here and it eliminates it?
No, so they all have the same glass, but the 99 sail panel is like one, you know.
Oh, instead of like two pieces?
Well, the other, like the older ones say twin turbo, so it looks stupid. And these ones just make it look.
Painted them.
No, they're recessed and stuff.
Oh.
And these ones are just like clean. See, it's just like, so the normal ones like come down like this, and they say like, or like this or something, and they say like twin turbo, and it's like black, but this is all like one nice like
now you have to paint that too.
Well, I mean, I saw all kinds of shit to paint.
When is it?
Did you see my fenders?
I saw your Instagram. I didn't look at it.
When's it gonna be done?
Is these dry yet?
They should be, but I
yeah, they look pretty good.
maybe not touch them.
Couple spots on. I'm not touching.
Yeah, man, I want to stay as far away from these as I possibly can.
They're dry.
You know, David, how much you repaint?
Like this purple's cool, but it's not that cool.
Oh, it's
like I'm tired of looking at it.
I know. I'm starting to think it's just like a Barney car. It's like it's like not in the sun.
Like outside, it was like.
Does it pop, Dave, in the sun?
Did it pop, Trev?
Yeah, it popped.
Yeah, it popped. Titties, special titties.
We're gonna. You're getting a taste of your own medicine on how to how to edit it.
I put that shit in.
David.
What? I know.
Oh, okay.
I just sealed that because I didn't sand it.
That's
You know what I'm gonna do this though?
paint stretch marks.
Yeah.
You know what I'm gonna do this?
You know what? If the meat doesn't come off the grill with marks, it ain't done yet.
Hey, you know what's gonna this color, you know what color this is gonna be?
Black. Carbon.
Black. Oh, gee, Dave stole my tuxedo black idea.
Well, mine's a little more poppy than yours. So $700 surprise from Japan. The last one supposedly
In the world.
That's new. I mean, the only reason I bought it was because it had a brand new seal.
Because you messed up the other one.
That's all the packaging they put it in, all the way from Japan.
No, it was in a big ass box.
Oh, another box. No knife.
Yeah, do you have one? Oh shit.
Dave, you need to start carrying a knife. Like I feel lost without it.
No, when I didn't have mine for like that week, I was like, I'd go to grab it for things, and it just.
This is the best $700 I've probably ever spent.
Probably not. Remember that plane ticket you bought to fly out and see me?
Oh,
that was probably the best $700 you ever spent.
Long glass.
Wow, David, look at them seals.
I know.
Oh, what? Look at that. It's soft.
Yeah, look at the little things that clip the
it's
shade in. They're not broken. It has a new thing. These things are all black.
It's soft and because the other one was like gray because it was all faded.
Oh no, the other one was like brittle. Like I tried to pull it off and it was just like split.
How you're supposed to film David?
Yeah.
No, that's tight because then I didn't.
Great.
Look, the great thing about this being glass, I didn't have to paint it.
You didn't.
Oh, that is pretty nice. I'm stoked
tight.
you didn't have to paint it. Oh, you didn't put this on.
Not yet. That's the old seal.
So you put this. So this is the old seal.
Yeah, that lifts up.
The seal that goes on the roof.
Yeah, no, this goes on. It seals down here. It's right there. I'm gonna do the Wing Center tuxedo black, and the reason behind that is because the roof is glass and it's black, so it'll kind of flow with it. What I'm doing now is the little bumper stops for the hatch. I need to retap the M6 holes just because there's some clear in it, so I'm gonna do that now. Okay, so everything, all the hardware is ready. Trevor's gonna help me put the hatch on the car.
I know I'm feeling something for you. The way you look, the way you laugh, and how you move. It kinda makes me go crazy. But we should take it slow, work things out so you don't let me go. When I come real close, I don't wanna get hurt, 'cause I'm not ready to give you my heart yet. Before I'm too invested, I should probably ask you all my questions, get to know you better.
So the fenders are kind of bolted on, and the hatch is all the way bolted on and latched. The new roof glass seal and roof glass are installed, and you know, new headlights. I just need to get that bumper painted and the doors painted, the hood painted. The glass should be all in this week. I ordered a new front windshield, so I should have that in, core glasses and rear glass, as well as you know, hopefully getting the whole, like, all the little vent trim pieces back in, the door sill trim pieces back in, and just a bunch of random other trim pieces. And you know, I really like how it looks with the bronze wheels. I definitely like the style of the wheels, the color, how it kind of goes with it, and I can't wait to see the wing back on it. And I need to pretty much color sand it and polish it, but I'll do that later. It's not that big of a deal right now. And I have the fuel door also installed, and then my plan is to drop the rear subframe, put the solid diff bushings, delete the all-wheel steering because it does leak all over the place, and you know, just delete the ABS, and you know, just do little things here and there. I need to pull the calipers and paint those the yellow, and you know, whatever else I'm gonna end up doing to it. But I can't wait to see this all the way finished. I love the color. I love how it looks. It's you know, I'm glad I didn't paint the other color I got. I'm definitely excited that I painted this color. I think it goes so much better. It flows with the car a lot better, and you know, everything is just, you know, coming out how I want it. So, and I really love that I got that roof glass, because that just brings the whole thing in, a new roof glass, new paint job. So the old one, the seal was really nasty and cracked and weathered, and it sat out for like 5 years in the sun and baked. This car was just destroyed when I got it, and now it's coming back together really nicely. So that's the end of this video. I'm gonna pull the VR4 out so Trevor can put a bed on his truck. I am definitely excited how the car is turning out. It is turning out a lot better than I imagined it in my mind. It's just, you know, seeing stuff come to life in front of your eyes, and you're like doing all the work, is actually pretty exciting. And you know, even if you have to do it a couple times just to get it right, I mean, learning is always just an experience that you keep, you know, you just always keep learning. So I hope you liked the video. Make sure to subscribe, comment below. Also click the bell next to the subscribe button so you get notifications when I post videos like this. I haven't been posting videos because I've been so busy with, you know, Jesse got married. Me and Trevor had to do, we're in it, in his wedding. You know, I'm really happy for him and his new wife, Sarah, and all that. So make sure to subscribe, comment below. See you guys tomorrow.